Greetings, Wisconsin Rapids. I come to you on March 24th, 2020, with an update on the ever-evolving coronavirus situation. Your health and well-being is my number one priority, and I hope that you and your families are staying well during this unprecedented time. I remind you that the sooner we comply with the directives, the sooner we can return to our normal lives. We have not flattened the curve, and compliance is critical. Last week, we held a briefing call with our local businesses. We continue to identify ways to provide relief at this time, and more information will be shared on Friday at our 2:15 call. Register for the call at wi.rappids.org/coronavirus. Our local businesses need our support now more than ever. In partnership with the Chamber, we launched an interactive map to highlight businesses that remain open and have adapted their businesses. Please continue to support them. Today, Governor Evers issued a stay-at-home or stay-at-residence for all Wisconsinites. This means that unless there is an essential activity such as procuring supplies, seeking health services, engaging in an outdoor activity, or providing care for others, we should stay home. Additionally, if someone is providing or utilizing essential government functions, such as early voting in person at City Hall, they are allowed to carry out those limited activities. All essential travel must comply with social distancing requirements of maintaining 6 feet between people and washing hands for 20 seconds or longer. The order also states that all public and private gatherings of any number of people that are not part of a single household are prohibited. There are a number of special situations allowing for people to leave their residence to work or obtain services, including healthcare and public health operations, including manufacturers, logistics, and distributors of medical equipment, PPE, human service operations, including long-term care and assisted living facilities. The order identifies essential infrastructure to provide any services to perform any work, to offer, maintain, operate any essential repair infrastructure, including but not limited to food production, distribution, fulfillment centers, storage facilities, construction, governmental functions like airport, water, sewer, electrical, and gas infrastructure, and previous orders for bars, restaurants, childcare settings, food and beverage transportation, grocery stores, religious and funeral establishments, media, gas stations, banks and financial institutions, hardware, mail, laundry, technology and internet companies, transportation, manufacturing, and supply chain companies who supply essential products and services, and hotels are identified to remain open while applying minimum basic operation manning standards and compliance with social distancing requirements. We recognize there may be many questions that arise out of this, so please don't hesitate to reach out to me personally by email at mayor@wi.rappids.org or 715-421-8202. Also worth mentioning, the 2020 census operations have been extended. All residents should have received 2 mailings in the past 2 weeks, and while we encourage you to return them as soon as possible, that deadline has been extended to August 14th. Responding online is the most convenient. While city buildings and facilities limit public interaction, the city clerk's office remains open Monday through Friday, 8 to 4:30 for early in-person voting absentee, as well as accepting absentee ballot requests for sending ballot requests by mail. Residents can request an absentee ballot at vote.wi.gov. If there are any questions regarding early voting or the April 7th election, please contact the city clerk at 421-8200. If you must make a property tax payment, please do so by mail. If you absolutely need to make one in person, please use the drop box outside of City Hall. Envelopes are available in the entranceway. Lastly, we've partnered with Wood County Health to request PPE, or personal protective equipment donations, specifically N95 respirators, surgical masks, gowns, gloves, face shields, and safety glasses or goggles. Please call 715-421-8911 to coordinate a donation. United Way has created a response community fund. Consider mailing a donation to United Way. Visit their website or social media accounts listed here. The Meals on Wheel home delivered meals program continues. The Boys and Girls Club is offering a free grab-and-go breakfast and lunch this spring break week for all children 18 and younger from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., and our food pantries remain open to the public. On behalf of all of us at the city, please take these orders seriously. We want you and those around you to remain healthy. Call 211 if you have any questions or have a COVID-19 concern. As weather permits, take a walk outside to get fresh air and sun. We continue to receive regular briefings, and I'll be back with updates as warranted. Until then, be well and warm regards.